Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to silence unknown callers on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, you have just to go to Settings, and after that scroll down until you find Apps. Go to Apps and scroll down until you find Phone. So when you find the Phone app, click on it and scroll down until you find this option, Silence Unknown Callers. And if you activate this option, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on recent lists. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent, outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions. So if you want to activate it, it's just like that and it's activated. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.